Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to deposit the cash on the bank on GTA Online. So at first, just take out your phone facing the scroll button on your mouse. As your phone pops up, go in the option Internet and just select it. After that, go on the Money and Services and click it. And scroll down until you see the option mazebank.com. Click on it and click on the main menu and go for the option deposit. As you can see the option here, you can deposit any amount from this option. For now, I'm just selecting this $2,500 and click on yes. So guys, that's how you deposit your cash on the bank on GTA Online. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.